This 2022 Palomino Columbus 388FK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, spare tire kit, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, slide-out, water heater, smoke detector, awning, leveling jacks, microwave, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Columbus 388FK is 13,744 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.